Dear children, let's listen to the explanation of lesson number 8, The Musicians of Bremen. Let's start the class by listening to the explanation of the lesson 8. Here there are 4 characters in the lesson: cock, dog, donkey, cat. These are the 4 characters in the play. Let's start reading the lesson, and I'm going to explain it to you. A donkey is walking down the road. He looks very sad. You can see a donkey walking down the road and he is very sad. Let's see what donkey says. Donkey: oh dear, I have worked on this farm all my life. Now I must leave. My life is in danger. My master and mistress say I am useless because I am old. I think I will go to Bremen and become a musician. So here the donkey is very sad because his master and mistress say that he is very useless because the donkey has become old, and the donkey decides to go to Bremen. Bremen is a town in Germany. And why the donkey wants to go to Bremen, children? Because he wants to become a musician. So the donkey leaves the farm. He meets a dog. He leaves the farm and he goes. On the way he meets a dog. Dog says, "Hello, old donkey. Where are you going?" The dog asks the donkey, "Hi, old donkey, where are you going?" Donkey replies saying, "To Bremen to become a musician." I am going to Bremen. Why? To become a musician. So let's see what dog says. Can I come too? I am old and cannot work. My master has driven me out. See what the dog is saying. My master has driven me out. And he is saying that now I am old and I cannot work as he expects me to do. So he says, yeah, my master has driven me out and I cannot work no long. So the donkey replies saying, please come along with me. Don't worry, dog. Come along with me. They walk on till they meet a cat. So now donkey and dog are going to Bremen to become a musician. On the way they meet a cat. Cat says, hello friends, where are you going? Hello friends, where are you going? The lovely cat asks dog and the donkey. Donkey says, to Bremen. We are going to Bremen. Dog, we are old and of no use anymore. We are running away. Our owners wanted to kill us. The dog says that our owners wanted to kill us. So what? We are running away. So we are running away. Cat says, my life is in great danger too. I am old and cannot catch any mice for my mistress. Yesterday she said she was going to kill me. Now listen what the cat is saying. That her life is also in danger. The cat's life is also in danger because it cannot catch any mice. So the mistress said that she is going to kill the cat. So the cat is thinking to run away. The donkey says, "Come along with us." "Why are you worrying, cat? You come along with us." Cat, "Thank you, I shall." So the cat is ready to join the donkey and the dog to go to Bremen. So the cat is ready and says, "Thank you, I shall." They walk on till they meet a cock sitting on a gate and crowing. A cock is sitting on a gate and it's crowing. So the donkey says, "That's a fine noise. I can hear a fine noise." Cock, "Yes, I am lucky I am alive. My master was going to kill me." Here the cock also says that she is lucky, that it is lucky to be alive. And its master was going to kill him. So the cock says that I am lucky that I am alive and my master was going to kill me. Then dog says, "You sing very well, cock. You sing very well." Cat, "Join us and be a musician too. We are going to Bremen, so you can join us and you can become a musician too." The cock is ready to join the group and says, "Certainly, I am ready to join. So certainly, I am coming with y'all." The four friends walk along the road. It is getting dark, but they are still a long way from Bremen. Now the four friends are walking and it's getting dark now. So still there is a long way to go. So let's see what they will decide. Donkey, "We cannot get to Bremen tonight. It's late, it's night now. So we are not able to walk. So we cannot get to Bremen." So the dog says, "Let's sleep in this wood." Let's sleep in this wood, meaning to say we will stay here under the tree. So cat, "Here is a big tree. I can sleep on branch." The cat says, "No problem. I can sleep on the branch." Cock says, "And I can perch on the highest branch. So I can go to the highest branch and I can perch on the highest branch." Dog, "And the donkey and I can lie near the trunk." So we both can lie under the tree, that is under the trunk of the tree. Cock, "From the top of the tree." The cock sees something and says, "There is a light not far away. It looks like a house. Dear friends, I can see a house. There is a light. So I think it's a house." Dog, "Let's go and see." They walk to the house and look through the window. So the four friends go to the house and they peep through the window. Donkey says, "There are 4 robbers in the room. They are sitting round the table and there is plenty of food food on the table. The donkey says that in the house there are 4 robbers who are sitting round the table and they are enjoying the food. So the dog says we must frighten them away. We should chase the robbers away. So let's frighten them. The dog stands on the donkey's back. The cat climbs onto the dog and the cock perches on the cat's head. They begin to sing. Then they all fall through the window. The frightened robbers run away. You can see the donkey, the cat and the cock. And they frighten the robbers and the robbers run away. Robbers, run, run before we are caught. The 4 friends eat the food on the table. Then the donkey lies down in the yard. The dog lies on a mat. The cat lies in front of the path and the cock perches on a beam. They are soon fast asleep. You can see they chase the robbers and they enjoy the food on the table and they sleep that day in the house. So the donkey lies down in the yard, the dog lies on a mat, the cat lies in front of the path and the cock perches on a beam and they are fast asleep. The robbers come back. One robber looks for a match to light the candle. So one robber comes back and he searches the matchbox to light the candle. Suddenly the cat spits at him and scratches him. So you know the cat is lying in front of the path. So the cat spits at him and scratches him. The robber trips over the dog. So the dog is lying on the mat and the dog bites him. Then the donkey kicks him and the cock starts to crow. The robber runs to join his friends. So here you see the condition of the robber. The robber gets frightened and he runs to join his friends. You can see the robbers running. They are frightened, they are afraid. So the robbers ask, what happened? What happened? Why are you running? What happened? So the robber one says that there was a terrible witch in the house, which means a woman with a magical powers. She spat at me and scratched me. The woman spat at me and she scratched me. Then a man behind the door cut my leg with a knife. Then a monster hit me and a devil screamed at me. So the robber thinks there is a terrible witch and she has attacked him. And he doesn't know that there are 4 friends, that is donkey, dog, cat and a cock in the house. And he thinks that there is a witch where the cat has scratched him. So he thinks that the witch has scratched him. And the man behind the door cut my leg with a knife. He thinks the dog has bitten him. So he thinks somebody has cut his leg with a knife. Then a monster hit me. The donkey has hit him. And devil screamed. So the devil is cock. The cock has screamed. Perch. So here he says the devil screamed. So here the robber says it is better to stay away from that house. So there is no need to stay in that house. Let's stay away from the house. The 4 musicians did not go to Bremen. They lived happily ever after in the house. So the 4 friends, that is donkey, dog, cat and the cock, did not go to Bremen. They lived happily in that house ever after. Adapted from a story by the brothers Grimm.